Happy Tuesday, everybody. Well, the day has come that we're going to get the other header put on. I'm here at Shawn's, waiting for him to tell me where to put her. And we're going to leave it on a trailer and have him do the headers on the other side of the Zoomies. And then I'll pick it, grab it, and take it home and get everything done on it. She looks pretty good on this side. The other side, not so good. I swear, you don't see this. You don't see the spidering in the light I have at home. Only in the sunlight out here, all over the car. But not in the trunk. The trunk looks pretty good. That came out pretty good. Even though I had those spots where I went through. And here I have a few spots I got cleaned up on. But let's get on the trailer. I had to get it up over here. Now I have to wait for Shawn. I can see, once you get the car up in there, you can see that all the work, what work you need to do. And I've got a lot of work to do on this paint. I didn't notice those scratches. It's just like, look at this. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's like all the way, I don't know if it's just smooth as hell, I know that. Yeah, and then when you get in areas that it's not, I mean, it's a 50-year-old paint job, I would expect. For 50 years old, it looks just fine. Okay, this is some other cleaning. I got me and my detailer Carl, who does all my final detail. He's going to come in and he's going to go over this with me, and he'll get every speck of dust of, I don't know, spray, whatever. He'll get it all off. Now I see Shawn's van all the way down there. Let's see what he says. Drop off behind wheelie van. Okay, I drop it off behind the wheelie van down there. You can see it. Okay, let's go drop it off.